Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video on this. I had someone ask me a question in the comments. They ask in the comments, how do you check the switch? So we're gonna go through that real quick. Got to get you a meter, and on this meter here, you got to put it down here and down here where you see this little symbol here. That's continuity. And what it does, when you touch them together, it'll make your meter show numbers and also make it beep. That lets you know you're making a connection. So now that we have it in continuity, we go over here to the schematic here, and on the Cadillac, if you're having a problem in your car not in park, right here is your switch for your not in park. So then you follow it around, and it'll be in pins 1 and 6. So now we'll get the electronics here, and we'll find pins 1 and 6. Okay, these electronics, they can still be installed in your car to test the switch. That's probably the easiest way to do it. You also got to take the console out to be able to get to this connector right here. Okay, with this piece down, your 1 and 6 will be over here on your left side. And you can double check it with your color code on your wires. Look at the schematic. Now we're looking at pink and white, and we're looking at blue wire. So our blue wire is here, and pink and white is right here. Our blue wire is here, and our pink and white is here. Instead of trying to hold this and hit these right in here, it's best just to put it down like this, find your pink and blue wire here, and just poke your wires, put your testers in backwards. Okay, that one's in, this one's in. Okay, now I got to hold it. Now move this over here. Now we'll swing this around. Now for making good connection, switch right here for this switch right here is the one for your not in park. The one right here by your white piece. Flip that up and see you're getting, that's a good switch. Okay, I'll show you in it. I'll show you what the meter does. I need a couple more hands here, but boy, it's hard to do all this at one time. But I need to have me an assistant, I guess. Okay, I'll hold these down. You hit that switch. Just hitting this switch right here. This is for your not in park. Okay, now we'll test the if you're having trouble with this switch right here. This would be the one for your park solenoid. If you're not getting power to your park solenoid, that means when the key's turned on and you can't pull it out from park to drive, that means it's all locked up. That'd be this switch right here. You can't pull it out of park and in the drive. That'd be this switch right here, and your solenoid would be right in here, right in this piece. That means your wires here is not getting power, because this here solenoid's got to be powered up in order for you to pull it out of park. That's just a safety theft mechanism. But so we'll check, go back to the schematic. And now on this one right here, this one is for lockout solenoid switch. Okay, now you're looking at this one, goes all the way right here, all the way down. It's actually on the opposite side. Your pins 1 and 6 is for the not in park switch, and your solenoid switch would be on 5 and 9, clear down here on the end. So we'll get the connector again, and again with this piece down, you'd be over here working on the other side. See, here's pin 1 and 6, and let's see, that would be, is it 5 and 9? 5 and 9 over here. So we'll flip this over, pull that up, I will stick the, make sure you're getting good connection. Okay, it's not giving me any noise signal, but it is giving me a reading. So it's just giving me the resistance on it. See if I can show you that. So you can see the switch is working. So that's your, this is your solenoid lock switch. This one over here is your not in park switch right here. So this is just a quick video to show you how this works, how to test the switches on that. You can, like I say, you can have these pieces still in the car, all bolted down to your shifter, and as long as you can get to this connector right here, as long as you can get to this connector right here and get to the back side of it, and stick your probes down into the back side of it, just like that. And then your green and brown. So okay, that's a real light brown there. Green and brown. So if you have any more questions on this, just let me know. I have no problem making a quick little video on these. But if you look at my other videos, I have videos of repairing this one, putting a new switch in here, replacing this micro switch right here. I completely took this all apart and replaced this switch right here. Okay, I hope this answers your question. This is how to test the switches in the Cadillac shifter. So okay, if you have any more comments or questions on this, just put them down below, and thanks for watching.